Hello friends, welcome to Learn with Fun YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Kinemaster without any watermark. So, without wasting your time, let's get ahead into your process. Firstly, I would like to tell you that please like, share and subscribe my video and hit that bell notification for latest updates of our channel. Let's get into the process. Go to Google and search Kinemaster without watermark. Press in the second option. Scroll down. You can see download Kinemaster Mode APK latest version. Press and download. Press download here again and you can see it is downloading. It may take some minutes, so please be patient. Our APK has been downloaded. Now let's install it. Now we will wait for a few minutes to be installed. So please wait and have patience. So you can see that my Kinemaster has been installed. Now let's open it. Press start. Now our Kinemaster without watermark is ready. Now let's open a file and check if it is watermark free or not. Okay, here we go. I have this photo here. Okay, now check if it is watermark free or not. So you can see here there is no watermark. Now let's save the video and let's see what happens. Let's play it. As you can see, there is no watermark in this video.